All right, we got a lemon dump cake today. So first we want to just scoop it out into the bottom of our 13 by 9. It's a little thicky icky, so I'm using a little metal spoon to get it all out of there. How's that looking? All right, now we're gonna take a spatula that we greased up a little bit and we're gonna smooth it over the bottom. Looking pretty good. All right, so now we wanna take our yellow cake mix. This is very important. You wanna put only half of it over the top of this. So only do about half. That's pretty, that feels like about half. Maybe just a little bit more. Yeah, just about. Okay, cool. All right, so we got half of the cake mix on there. Now, the next part is we want to start putting some cream cheese bits, kind of just spreading it out over the cake mix.
Very sticky.
Yeah. You want to do this as quickly as possible because it starts to get a little sticky, a little messy. It really blends in with the yellow cake mix though, so you can almost not even see it on the video, but it's going to be some creamy, cheesy goodness. And spread out. Okay, so now we're going to take the second half of that yellow cake mix and put it over the top of the cream cheese. Oh, this is smelling good already. We haven't even baked it yet. Oh, yeah. Okay, kind of smooth it out over the top there. I love how easy these dump cakes are. Okay, so now we want to take some butter slices, slice these up, and we're just gonna put it out over the whole top of this thing. Just kind of cover all those little spots. All right, and our final little piece. All right, now let's take it over to the oven. We got the oven at 350. We're gonna put it in there at 350 for about 40 minutes. All right, let's take a look. Woo, buddy. Look at that lemony cream cheese going on right there. All right, so we're just gonna let it cool for a minute and then put some Cool Whip on that baby. All right, so now we're gonna put some Cool Whip on top now that it's cooled down some. Just kind of at your own discretion. I might have had this Cool Whip. No, it's actually a good consistency. Put it over the top. Now, it's really important to let it cool down, otherwise it's gonna be a freaking, oops. It's good to let it cool or it'll be a watery mess. What is Cool Whip actually made of?
I'm not gonna tell you.
Do you know?
It's oil.
Oh. I thought you weren't gonna tell me.
Oh, I told you.
That was looking pretty good. Pull back for a second. Get a good look at that. All right, let's get a little good bite. I want to get a little cream cheese in there and a little lemon filling. Ooh, that looks good. Look at that. Mmm. That is really good. I can't wait for my wife to try this. Mmm. Mmm.